Sometimes your motorcycle clutch action is not very smooth. Actually, it's very jerky. In this video, I'll show you how to fix it. Problem always is in clutch basket. To fix it, you need to remove it. As you can see, here is not flat, this side is not flat at all. To fix it, you need to file it down like here, to flat surface. This surface must be flat. To remove clutch basket, remove the discs. Now cover with paper tape like this to avoid contamination. And let it down using file like this, all parts. Okay, that's it. And now you need to assemble the clutch.
Okay, let's check it out.
Woo, super smooth!
Look at this shine!
No? Boomsy, boomsy. Hot?
Давай, пищелюху.